Question 46. If a maximum of 144 grams of potassium chloride dissolves in 1 dm cubed of water at 90 degrees Celsius, determine the solubility of potassium chloride at that temperature. Take molar mass of chlorine to be 35.5 and potassium K to be 39.0 gram per mole. A. 19.3 mole per dm cubed. B. 0.013 B. 0.0193 mole per dm cubed. C. 0.193 mole per dm cubed. D. 1.93 mole per dm cubed. The correct answer is D. 1.93 mole per dm cubed. Explanation. We know that solubility equals moles over volume, and we are told that 144 grams of potassium chloride will dissolve in 1 dm cubed of water. So first, find the molar mass, which is going to be 39 plus 35.5. That will give you 74.5 grams per mole. Okay, now that you have the molar mass, moles gives you mass over molar mass. So we have 144 divided by 74.5, and since it dissolves in 1 dm cubed, you can divide the whole thing by 1 dm cubed. So the solubility will be, if you do the calculation, you have 1.93 mole per dm cubed. Question 47. Greenhouse effect is as a result of A. Soil pollution, B. Industrial pollution, C. Air pollution, D. Water pollution. The correct answer is C. Air pollution. Explanation. Air pollution releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere like a giant warm blanket, okay, causing global warming and climate change. Question 48. Which of the following particles is the smallest? A. Argon, B. Cl-, C. S2-, D. K+ ion. The correct answer is D. K+ ion. Explanation. When atoms lose electrons, in this case, for example, potassium plus, K+, they get smaller because there are fewer electrons pulling against the electropositive nucleus. Anions like Cl-, F-, S2-, they all gain electrons, which makes them larger or bigger. So K+ in this question is the smallest particle. Question 49. If 1 mole of hydrogen chloride reacts with 1 mole of propene, what is the major product formed? A. 2-chloropropane, B. 1-chloropropane, C. 1-chloropropene. D. 2-chloropropene. So the correct answer for this question is A. 2-chloropropene. Explanation. So we have CH3 CH double bond CH2, and if you are adding HCl, okay, the HCl adds across the double bond, so the point of reaction is going to be around this double bond because that's where the double bond is, okay. According to Markonikov's rule, the hydrogen will go to the carbon with more hydrogens. So we have two hydrogens, right? This guy and this guy. So if we are numbering, we say 1, 2, 3. Carbon 2 has 1 hydrogen. Carbon 3 has 2 hydrogens. So Markonikov says that give the hydrogen in the hydrogen chloride to the carbon that has more hydrogens. So in this reaction, we will have CH3 CH single bond CH2, and then the new hydrogen will be added to this guy, making it CH3. Okay, I've written it this way so that you can understand it. And then add the Cl, which is the chlorine atom, to the carbon with fewer hydrogens. So the chlorine atom will be added to this guy. That is how we get 2-chloropropane, because the numbers, the chlorine atom is bonded to carbon number 2, so it's going to be 2-chloro because of the chlorine atom, propane because the parent chain has 3 carbons, and 3 carbons means prop, and it's a single bond functional group, so it's going to be alkene. And then finally, question 50, we made it. What type of polymer is formed by reacting amino acids? A. Polyamide. B. Polyester. C. Addition polymer. D. Carbohydrate. The correct answer is A. Polyamide. Explanation. Amino acids have an amine group. This is an amine group, and a carboxylic acid group. We also have a very helpful video called Functional Group Chemistry on KokoChem Education YouTube channel. So please do check it out, okay? So when these two functional groups join together, they form what we call peptide bonds. So peptide bond is a type of imide linkage that links so many small units together to form a polyamide like proteins, okay? This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you watch any video no bibi every month, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.